Welcome to a tutorial on how to change your start menu text by WordX8. By default, the text in the start menu just says start. When you place your cursor over it, it says click here to begin, and I'm going to show you how to change that. And to do this, you need a resource called Resource Hacker, and the link to that is to the right of this video under video information. And basically, you cannot do this under Microsoft by default because you need to use a hex editor, and something like Resource Hacker is a hex editor. So once you download Resource Hacker from the link to the right, just put it to your desktop or somewhere you can access it, and make sure it's all in the same folder. And here's Resource Hacker right here. I'm going to click it, and once it's open, you need to go to the top left hand corner and hit File, Open, and you need to go to the Windows folder, which is located under your hard drive name. In my case, that's LD, and under that is Windows. Just go to that LD and then click Windows. And you need to, here are all the files in your Windows file, and you need to find the Explorer executable. So just look around for it. It'll just say Explorer. When you highlight it, it'll show it's an executable. And once you do that, hit OK, hit Open. This will show all the properties of the Explorer executable, and you need to go to the string data table and just expand that, and look at the value that's 37, and expand that and click 1033. Once you're there, there will be an option next to 578 that says say start, and you need to select that. Make sure you do not delete the quotes, but replace the thing inside the quotes that says start, and just type in what you want. So in my case, I'm just going to type in WordX, and this is the text that will be displayed in the start menu. Another side little thing you can do is under this same one, string table, if you expand 34 and click 10033, then it says under 533 that it says click here to begin, and this is the value that is displayed when your mouse hovers over the start menu for quite a bit of time. So I'm just going to delete this and click subscribe to my videos. And then once you're done with that, hit compile script, and then do file, save as, and you want to save this as a text you want to display, just to make it a little bit simple. So in my case, WordX, and then do .exe. So you're gonna save it as WordX.exe, and after you do that, hit save and close out of this program. And one last thing you need to do is you need to open Registry Editor, and to do that you hit Start, Run, and then type in REGEDIT and hit OK. And once you open this up, you need to expand the HKey local machine tab and then the software tab. I'm going to write this all in the video information, so you don't need to remember all of this. After you expand software, go to Microsoft, scroll down a little bit, go to Windows NT, then current version, then WinLogin, and once WinLogin is selected, you can look at all the values, and these are a lot of values under the WinLogin stuff, and you need to look for the shell property and just double click that, and under the value data it says the name of the executable that you want to open. So whatever you save the executable as in Resource Hacker, just type that in, for in my case WordX, and just hit OK. And once you do that, you need to restart your computer or just log off and then log back on, whichever is easier for you. And after logging back in or reinstalling, this is what it looks like. It says WordX in the menu, and when you hover your mouse over it for a little bit of time, it says in that little box, subscribe to my videos. So as you can see, it works. I plan on making more computer related videos in the future. If you'd like to know more about a specific topic, please send me a message via YouTube. If I feel that it's a good topic, then I'll make a video on it and post it. Please rate and comment this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel. I may make more videos in the future that you may like. My YouTube account is youtube.com/WordX8. My River account is river.com/u/WordX8. Thanks for watching. If you want to get the embed code to my video, then go to the right hand side of my video and click More. And then at the bottom of it, it'll say embed code can be found at, and click the link. This should bring you to the same video at my River account, and the embed code could be found right at the right side. And you can just copy this, copy it into your website, or wherever else you want it.